Once a farmer chanced into passing through his fields in winter. Then his eyes fell on a snake shrinking within sight the cold. The farmer knew that the snake is a totally risky creature. However, nevertheless, he picked it up and set it in his basket, then positioned grass and leaves on it in order that it received a few warmth and its far stored from demise because of cold. Soon the snake were given nicely and got here out of the basket and beat the farmer who had helped him so much. He died immediately from his poison, and whilst demise he stated in his final day, "Learn this from me, in no way display mercy to a depraved person." Moral education of this story is something like this. There are a few individuals who in no way alternate their nature, irrespective of how nicely we deal with them. Always be cautious and maintain distance from the ones individuals who best reflect on consideration on their very own benefits. Thanks.